Hello, my name's Nick Blythe. My company is Paella Fella, and we've put together the Paella Fella Team Build program for you. I want to give you an insight into our team building day so that you can ascertain as to whether it's the right sort of program for your people, your staff, and it contains the right sort of benefits. Think of The Apprentice meets MasterChef with a liberal dose of the generation game, if you like. I've been cooking paella now for over 20 years, and I came up with the idea of the team build following taking part in the international paella competition that takes place in a town called Sueca in Valencia, Spain, which is the home of paella. Each year, chefs from all around the world gather together to cook a true Valencian paella.
Being here is fantastic. The atmosphere is really, really great. Everyone is so welcoming because it's crazy to have an Englishman cooking paella in Valencia.
Having taken part in the competition, I realised that here was a great way of taking the paella competition but out of context and putting into a business context, one that would provide real positive, tangible benefits for companies and organisations looking to test and develop their staff. Typically the sort of things that we're looking at testing are initiative, decision making, communication and collaboration. A typical Paella Fella team building day, there'll be a safety briefing and some guidelines on knife handling skills, plus there's also hygiene standards that we need them to adhere to as well. We give everybody the same ingredients, the same equipment, and they have to come together. They have to cook the paella from scratch, they have to build a kitchen from scratch, and then they've got to come together as a team and create that paella. And it's all done against the clock.
Yeah, we're done.
Hooray! Yeah!
Once the delegates have cooked the paella, we get to do some judging, and the criteria for the judging is based on criteria that you set. Delegates also get to eat the paella and compare and contrast it with each other. They also get to take it home too.
What it did was shows our strengths and weaknesses, and we all complement each other.
I loved the co-workers. Everything was just first rate.
The team worked really well together. The facilities were brilliant.
I was expecting it to be fun, but not as fun as it was. We had a really great time.
It was good to get people working together that don't necessarily work together.
One of them that had no confidence in himself at all actually built the cooker for us to do the cooking on, so he was well pleased with himself.
In business language, we empower them to make decisions and solve problems outside of their normal sphere of operation. So for example, we can take it from being just a basic fun team build day, and we can create something that is maybe perhaps a little bit more collaborative, or indeed a little bit more challenging and more competitive. You tell us what your objectives are, and we'll put a Paella Fella team build experience together just for you.